This is what happens after a hurricane. So everything gets pushed around, things float around, things get shoved around, and it just makes a big mess. Just a huge, huge, huge waste of money. So all this stuff here, scrap metal to us. This will be scrap metal to us. A lot of this stuff is just, it's construction is C&D. Let's go back in here and see what's going on. Take a little journey. And I hear, listen really closely. You hear that? There's something going on. At first I thought it was somebody in here. Now, okay, let me show you what I'm thinking. If you look down in there, you see that? You know what that means?